Hello, I'm Jacqueline Mary Piper, and I'm making a short video to demonstrate some sound healing from plants. I'm very interested in how sound works and measuring the tones coming from plants, crystals, humans, and I'm a sound healer. So it really interested me when a friend of mine showed me a device which she had bought from New York, which actually measures the electrical currents across the surface of the plants. And this device is called a MIDI sprout. And there we are, the MIDI sprout. So I've ordered that. And what I had to do then is download the app onto my phone, which I've got here. Looks like that. And the MIDI app came supplied with some little pads there, which you can see that you put onto the plant so you don't cause the plant any damage. And what you then do is you plug it into the other end, into the MIDI sprout, and we should have music. We do. This is the orchid, sound of the orchid. So I think it's really interesting to know, I'm just going to unplug that one. Oops, there she goes again. This device is measuring the electrical currents across the surface of the plant. What's interesting is how different plants sound. A little bit like the frequencies coming from humans, I guess. We've all got our own notes and tones. So to demonstrate that, I have got a second plant here, a lovely little pink plant that a friend of mine gave me. We don't know the name of it, but it has a very, very sweet sound. So I'm plugging this one in. And playing it through the app. This is the pink one here. That's the sound of the pink plant. Right, so if you fill your home full of plants, you're receiving plant healing. And those different tones are very interesting. I've been out into the garden and I can tell you that roses sound exquisite and hollyhocks sound absolutely beautiful too. Now I wonder whether, let's just disconnect that, whether, that's stopped from the plant and now it's going to be me. The sound of the electrical energy going through my energy field now. So I've worked with this before and just let it play my music of my energy field, and then I invoked the angels and we can hear how the energy, the notes change when I do that. So I just leave me playing for a minute, and then I'm going to call the angels into my energy field and we should notice a difference. Okay, so I'm doing it now. definitely changed the rhythm of me. So I let that angel energy go again. You can tell I've been fascinated with this, and I've been experimenting. That's the pink plant again. I just think it's amazing, all of these sounds that we don't normally hear that are having an effect on our energy field and the space in our homes and gardens. We are in a sound bath all of the time. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this and found it interesting, and I will be back shortly. Bye bye for now.